Greetings wherever you are, from Ahobrasia Kitchen to you. We thank God for another day, and thanks to all my viewers, subscribers, new and old. And if you are watching me for the first time, you are welcome. And please stay connected. Today we're cooking beans stew. Yes, beans stew. Papa. Our ingredients, we have onions. I'm going to use 2 to start with, and then 1 for garnishing. I have my peppers here. I'm going to add the green one later. I have tomatoes and my 3 Scotch bonnet peppers, ground beef. I have here white pepper, salt, and ginger powder. Onion. I added a little bit of onion, salt, and white pepper to the ground beef. Adding my tomatoes. I have here the white pepper, salt, and ginger powder. We're going to the simple. Then I add my ground beef. Okay. Hey, honey, then how do you see the stew? I have my palm soup oil. I'm adding it together. Okay. You wash your beans nicely. Okay. Then you use your hand. This is how I do it, to transfer it into the spot, because sometimes there's dirt or sand under the beans. Or you can use the strainer like this. And then you wash it. So all the dirt or the sand under you do. See that? If I don't get to soak my beans before cooking it, the first water start boiling, I drain it, then I put fresh water, I drain it for the second time to get some of the gas out. Okay, so taste for salt. Let's see. Perfecto. The salt. The stew. Yay. Stew near the papa. Tastes so good. Whoa. Yep. I love palm nut soup oil. I'm going to wait in this one. So, papa. It's still nice stew. Our bean stew. Here. Yuppie. Okay. Now our all everything is coming in here. Garnishing. We are done. So what are we saying? Finito. Onyofe. Diana do. Beans. I done cassa for see. See a view. I'm going to leave it on for 3 minutes. Then we are done. Okay, so when you are eating it, I bet it crunchy with the sabola jenin. Onion. Yeah. No, I crunchy. Thanks for watching. Okay, yeah. Listen, then yeah. The beans for no I come on. Now Mr. Neddo, on Saham day. For an eye come on. In our cocoa, we know Gary B. Where movie? Hey, beans ready to make the hour. That's for a Hey, buy it. Like I say, here